Hey guys, so there'll be Fox video. Today I am going to show you how to log in your Roblox account. So I'm going to put my account called Roman Nations Box. Okay, I'm going to put my password. I'm not going to tell you my password. This is my first video ever. I created this account today. You need a verification. If you have a verification, you have to do it faster. I did that. Okay guys, so I log into my account. This is account when I play since 2016. But log into your account, yeah. So log into your account from Roblox. Log into your account.